Joe got my ceiling fan all hung, so it has a light. We took out the loft. We got this window for $80, and it is a dual hung, double pane window filled with argon gas. We are going to put it right here, and this is going to be our bedroom. Good job not touching that bare stuff with your hands.
Main shirt square.
Where my window will go. Are you going through?
No. Still gotta put a sill in. And
This is the outside. And the window will go right there.
Season again, and the ash in the air is my eyes stinging, and I can hear the winter slowly awakening. Mountains are my only goal, so I can shed my skin and be made whole. In the crisp air and the red clay will be my salvation. My home. The birds are already leaving. I guess you got swept in their migration, and now every nest I come across looks abandoned. Pacing every inch of this room, looking for one spot without memories of you. But the blisters turn to callous if I'll just keep walking. Your absence sets in burning trees, and the things that I've loved are the things that I bleed. The wine from the water, the flesh from the bone. This year
you cutting a hole?
I cannot concentrate. No, you drilled a hole.
Well, it's a starter hole. Jigsaw won't fit in there, and if you look right here, it's hard to see the roots. Just sawing like a boss. We got her done.
Beautiful.
And I gotta pack this with insulation, which I have there. And seal that up there.
Nice.
Walk around it, and we'll be done. It's alright. Gotta seal that up. No water. No water. And I'll probably get comments. All your R factors in the loft. So the more you compress it, but it's insulated.
Will you tuck in that little flap? I know we could pull it out, but
What flap?
this right here.
I'll cut it.
Okay.
Let's see if this will work. And then I'll need tight.
Pull this corner towards you.
See where I'm at outside. That looks really good.
It does.
So,
Nice.
good. You know, it's funny, having it on that silk one gives it something to slide onto too. I'll just do what you said, make it flush up here. Drywall, I'll figure that part out.
It looks really nice.
As long as we got the same margin here, it should be okay.
For $85.
I'll end up trimming it in. Yeah, so I will make it all flush. Alright, I'm gonna screw it.
It looks beautiful. Do you want to check the outside?
It's not where. Let's adjust the sash. I need to come in down here. No, I'm just fucking put. Double hung. Just moving the wire from one side to the other.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, I got this out. I need to get the nail for the drywall attached to this.
It's a good idea.
So I'll have to cut that. Very nice. Oh, it's got insulation. This will go to this box. There's a little extra. Now, do you want a box here and there? Since we got two more boxes.
If I could have a plug there and have a plug there, that would make it, yes, so I could have the nightstands and the bed right here. And then if I had it on this wall here and over there, I could have the bed that way if I wanted. Thank you, my love.
Where we really need is up in here.
Try it up there. You need to go upside down. We'll try it in that upper part up there where the nails are. It's like whipped cream.
Here we go.
Drywalling this room is really making a difference. It's such a vast change from the beadboard, from the insulation, and then to have the drywall in. It's nice. It's starting to feel like a real house and not like a shed.
Shop back
More power. All right, so we are moving right along. We have gotten the majority of the room done. I have these two walls left to screw down, and these are coming out when we attach the bathroom. So everything is moving right along. So I have finished mudding all the screws, all the corners. Joe hung my outlet for my TV, and I'm ready to start painting. Yay! This has moved a lot quicker than I thought it would. And I've learned a new skill today. I've learned how to drywall. So the paint is coming along very nicely. I just had to wait for a couple areas to dry, but I really am pleased with how it's coming out. This wall is turning out very good. That's the window we put in. It's coming together very nicely.